Hey guys, my name is Pedro and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the exciting world of Bybit. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Bybit from its features and products and its safety measures and more. So, if you're ready to take your trading crypto game to a next level, then stick around till the end. So, let's begin with the introduction of Bybit. Bybit is not just another trading platform. It's a fast-growing ecosystem that caters to both beginners and experienced traders alike. With its headquarters based in Dubai, UAE, and offices in Taiwan and Hong Kong, Bybit boasts a robust matching engine capable of handling a staggering of 100,000 transactions per second, ensuring you won't face overload issues. Plus, its impressive low latency of just 1 millisecond ensures lightning-fast execution. Now, if we talk about the interface and layout of this exchange, Bybit Exchange website greets you with a clean and intuitive interface that caters to both new traders and experienced professionals. The website layout is designed to provide easy access to essential information while maintaining a visually pleasing experience. A well-organized navigation menu at the top, as you can see, it offers quick access to key sections such as trading, account management, and support. It has a prominent trading chart displaying real-time price data and market trends. Now let's talk about the products which makes Bybit apart from other exchanges. Whether you are into a spot trading or derivatives, Bybit has got you covered. They offer a spot market where beginners can easily trade by depositing funds through bank accounts or cryptocurrencies. And for the experienced traders, there is the derivative market. Bybit products include two kinds of derivative contracts: USDT perpetual contracts and inverse perpetual contracts. These contracts offer various opportunities to capitalize on market movements. Now, if we talk about the features of Bybit, which makes it so special, unlike other market trading exchanges, Bybit offers all those features which could help a trader like you or others to have smoother trading experience. The first feature is it has concentrated exchange for high volume trading. Bybit supports 24 high-volume cryptocurrencies for trading, which include BTC, ETH, BNB, Sushi, Doge, USDT, and many more. They recently introduced USDT perpetual trading, in which P&L is counted in USDT and saves a lot of headaches. Secondly, it has spot trading. Even though Bybit was mostly a margin trading derivative platform, it silently launched the spot trading platform. Then they have the Fiat Gateway. You can buy cryptocurrency directly on Bybit using their Fiat Gateway. This feature is enabled using MoonPay, which is a third party that provides a payment infrastructure for crypto. However, to use this feature, you need to do KYC with MoonPay. Then they have high leverage. Bybit offers leverage up to 100x. This is the number of funds you could borrow from the exchange. For example, if you open a position of 100 USD and you use 50x leverage, you will be able to trade a contract value of 500 USD. By the way, 100 USD is the scenario is called initial margin. Then Bybit has easy to use trading terminal. Bybit offers one of the initiated trading terminals, and if you are someone who is moving from an exciting exchange like BitMEX or Binance, it will surprise you. Bybit trading terminal is powerful as well as robust in features. Then most importantly, they have the grid bot trading. Bybit has started adding a lot of automated trading bots, and the latest addition is grid bot trading. This strategy lets you capture the volatility of the market and make profit in an automated way. A lot of exchanges have started adding this feature as it is a popular strategy among traders and scalpers. The grid bot trading feature is free to use in Bybit, and there are selected pairs on which you can run grid bots currently on Bybit. Now, if we talk about the safety of Bybit, they take security seriously. While it's not regulated, the platform employs stringent security measures to safeguard your assets. Your funds are stored offline in cold storage wallets, making them incredibly difficult to hack. Additionally, every withdrawal request is carefully reviewed to prevent unauthorized access. Now, let's move ahead and see how you can deposit or withdraw on Bybit. Naturally, in order to trade on Bybit, you'll first have to deposit funds. Select the Assets tab on the top navigation bar and you will see all the available perpetual contracts listed neatly. Bybit is a crypto-based platform, hence you can only deposit cryptocurrencies. Here you can also track all the important metrics for monitoring the performance of your position, including unrealized P&L, available margin, and position margin. On the right side, you will see all the options to deposit and withdraw your funds. By clicking the deposit button, you will be presented with a box containing your Bitcoin deposit address as well as its corresponding QR code. Then, how to trade on Bybit? Bybit is basically a crypto futures platform, and the exchange allows its users to place both long and short positions. Place a long order if you think the price will rise, or place a short order if you think the price will tumble. Additionally, there are some advanced order types like limit, market, and conditional. Now, most importantly, let's learn about the Unified Trading Account. So, what is Unified Trading Account or UTA? A Unified Trading Account is a versatile and all-in-one account mode provided by trading platforms. It is designed to make trading more convenient and efficient for traders. Instead of having separate accounts for different types of tradings like spot trading, derivative trading, and option tradings, a unified trading account combines all of these into a single account. This means traders can access and manage various trading options without needing to switch between different accounts. So, what are the benefits of a unified trading account? First of all, it has easy access. You can get one-click entry to 6 trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, USDT perpetual, USDC perpetual, USDC options, and the new USDC futures. Secondly, it has efficient capital. It will utilize over 70 cryptocurrencies as collateral for leverage trading, gain up to 10x leverage with margin trading on spot. Then you can enjoy an interest-free loan quota for up to 70,000 USDT on your UTA. Thirdly, it has enhanced portfolio control. It has a safeguard trades and limit potential losses with hedge mode's protective mechanism during uncertain markets. It balances profits and losses across various product positions. It also manages risk with one-way and the new hedge mode. Thirdly, it is very simple and convenient, and it has a risk management system. Now, let's see the standout features that makes Bybit a popular choice among traders. It has a perpetual contracts. Bybit offers perpetual contracts for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. This means you can trade with these contracts without any expiration date. Secondly, it has a leverage trading. Leverage allows you to control a large position with a smaller amount of capital. Bybit provides various leverage options, but remember, high leverage involves higher risk. Thirdly, it has advanced order types. Market, limit, and conditional orders are at your disposal, giving you more control over your trades. Fourthly, Bybit boosts impressive liquidity and trading volume, ensuring that you can execute trades swiftly even during high demand periods. Now, I will give you some tips for successful trading on Bybit. First of all, you need to educate yourself. Never stop learning. Stay updated with market trends, news, and trading strategies. Secondly, start with small amount. Especially if you're new in the market, start with small amount with small leverage so that there is low risk of loss. Thirdly, keep emotions in check. Trading can be emotional. Stick to your strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions. Now, if you talk about the fee and bonuses of Bybit, Bybit's fee structure is a real treat for traders. CEO Ben Zhou and his team have managed to keep the fee among the lowest in the industry. Depending on your VIP level, your fee will vary. Plus, there is a bonus for joining on Bybit. Now, let's see what are the pros of Bybit. No KYC is required. It's very easy to start trading on Bybit. Secondly, unlike some other cryptocurrency exchanges, Bybit has a mobile app, making it easy to trade when away from the computer. Thirdly, Bybit is one of the handful exchanges that offers perpetual swap futures for coins like XRP and EOS. Then, on Bybit, it's possible to trade with extremely high leverage, especially on Bitcoin products. Then, it has a low trading fee, including a rebate for the market maker. Then, the Bybit Insurance Fund guarantees that losses will not have to be socialized through the Bybit ecosystem. And lastly, it has multiple order types, makes Bybit suitable for advanced traders and investors. Remember, While Bybit offers great opportunities for trading, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies means that only invest what you can afford to lose. So that's it from today's video. Join them on their social media handles to get the latest update of this project, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Stay tuned.